So bacterial genetics is one of the most important aspects and very easy also, because simplest form of genetics, right? If you know how to, and it's a logical, it's not unlogical, it's not mathematical even, right? Just you have to observe and then you can analyze. So what is there are two type of maps: genetic linkage and physical map. Already yesterday we have discussed. And then what is the genetic mapping? Arrangement of gene. And how you can arrange the gene? Tell me. If you have the genetic marker, right? If you have the genetic marker, knowledge of genetic marker, and then yesterday we have discussed about the various genetic marker like satellite, microsatellite, VNTR, and STR. A lot of things we have discussed yesterday. So I will give you the video so that you can watch them. And then genetic marker is very, very important. And what we can say is this may be nucleotide genetic. What is the genetic marker? Genetic marker may be based on some nucleotide bases, or some kind of repeated sequences, some conserved sequences. So there are various kind of map. And if you see, physical map can be divided into three general type: chromosomal, cytogenetic map, and radiation hybrid map, sequence map. So these are not very common for the CSIR examination, but as a theoretically, you should have a knowledge about all this type of map, right? So ultimately, physical map is a complete sequencing itself, data of sequencing, right? So the frequency of recombination exactly give you the genetic map. So how you can calculate and what are the formula? Already we have discussed. We have covered the examples also, CSIR examples. And in the summary, in the chart, what I can tell you, the frequency of recombination of two genes is proportional to distance between them. And frequency with which recombination occurs in the offspring is expressed as a percentage. Already you are aware of that, right? So genes which are very close together, what you can call them? You can call them as a linked. If they are very close, then you can call them as a linked gene. So you must note it down. If the gene is, yesterday we have discussed a problem also. If the gene is like this, and if the gene is like this, which has more chances of linkage? Can you tell me? This one or this one?
Sir, first one. With shorter distance, sir.
So first one have a more chances of recombination. Recombination. So because they are very close, so easily they can go, right? They can be linked. But they are far away, so they can form the recombinant. So recombination frequency will be very less here. Recombination frequency will be low here, and here recombination frequency will be high. So they can ask you which may have the high recombination frequency out of 1 and 2. Second will have high recombination
frequency,
because the gene cannot be linked. They are far away from each other. High recombination frequency, right? So a recombination frequency of 1%, what do you mean by that? Means 1 out of 100. Recombination frequency of 2 out of 100. Recombination frequency of 50 means 50 out of 100. Analysis is very, very much essential, right? So recombination frequency never can be greater than 50%. Never. Always it should be less than 50%. So 50%, what you can say, 50% will be the parental, okay, and 50% will be the recombinant. Clear?
Excuse me, sir. सर ये पीछे वाला थोड़ा सा एक बार दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर।
पीछे वाले में कुछ था ही नहीं। what I'm saying, if the gene is very close together, as you can see here, gene is A and B very close together, right? So chances of recombination with next gene, suppose this is a dual allele, two na, for a gene there are two alleles, so they can recombine in this way. But since the distance is very less, so both the gene AB will go together when there will be new combination, right? So in the new combination, or you can say recombinant, there will be 0% recombination here. 0%, because both the genes are linked, because distance very close. So that's why I'm saying recombination frequency is very low, because the two genes are very close together. Here recombination frequency will be high. Why? Because the gene is very far away from each other, so easily they can form a recombinant. So new recombinant will be, suppose this is A, capital B, this is a small a small b. Okay, in the new combination, what you can see, A and B, and other combination will be A and capital V. Okay, right? So 50% will be parental and 50% will be
non-parental.
Non-parental or recombinants.
Recombinants.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. They can ask you the recombination frequency.
Yes, sir.
Calculate the distance, calculate the gene order. Okay.
Yes.
So in the triple point cross, you can be given to determine the gene order. Triple point cross means 3 genes will be there, right? 3 genes will be there. Then you have to determine the order. इसका मैं hint बता देता हूँ, how to determine the gene order. देखो ट्रिपल पॉइंट क्रॉस में they can say you, this is very easy, that's why I am discussing how to determine the gene order, right? Suppose there is a parental A, B, C, right? And then you are crossing with the A, B, C. So gamete will be A, B, C, A, B, C. Correct? And then what you can, F1 you can see A by A, B by B, C by C. Right? Okay? So
yes, sir.
Various combination you can obtain after the cross. अगर आप क्रॉस करोगे तो आपको बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन मिलेंगे. तो पेरेंटल क्या हो गया? पेरेंटल इज द ABC and other is small a, small b, C. So there is a convention. If A plus is written, what does it means? Wild type. A minus is written, this is mutant. So I am not giving actual problem. I am just telling you that they can give you, this is the parental. Right? It will be around 50%. Now all rest will be, right? Rest will be like this. A, B, C, A, B, C, okay? Maybe in this form, and then you can see A, B, small c, right? A, B, capital C. You can obtain second one non-parental, second non-parental. For example, what you can see in this case, suppose they are showing the recombination frequency is a 5%. 5%, right? This is the recombination frequency, means these are the actual recombinants. Actual recombinants. संख्या अगर ज्यादा है, मान लो टोटल 100 थे, सपोज टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्रोजेनी वे आर 100, तो 100 में से 50 तो निकल गया, ये बाकी 50 में से 1 2 3 4 5 मतलब 9:3:3:1 के रेशियो में आएगा, राइट? यानी 9 ये 3 3 और एक कोई और कॉम्बिनेशन रख लो, राइट? जिसमें ए रख लो एंड देन बी एंड देन कैपिटल सी, ठीक है? इसमें भी कैपिटल बी स्मॉल सी, राइट? सो दिस नंबर में भी 5 हो गया, 5% नहीं नंबर हो गया। दिस इज 5 5 10 हो गया, ये 50 हो गया, तो कितना हो गया? 60 हो गए, और ये हो गया 40, सपोज टोटल 100 हो गए, ठीक है? इतना समझ आ रहा है?
यस सर। बट सर ये जो थर्ड वाला कॉम्बिनेशन है सर, ये तो सेम है ना जो फर्स्ट वाला कॉम्बिनेशन?
नो, this is capital C. This is a parental. This is capital C. This is small c.
नहीं सर, ये नीचे जहाँ पे आपने फर्स्ट नंबर लिखा है, ये दोनों ही कैपिटल सी है और यहाँ पे हमने स्मॉल सी लिया है ना?
Let me check. This is small c, na? This is, you can see, capital C. So let me explain, na? So this is 9:3:3:1, right? And so what you can see, the number will be given like this. Okay, so you have to catch up this point, that you have to pick up the lowest number. And now they can ask you one question. Tell me the order of the gene. B will be in the middle, A will be in the middle, or C will be in the middle. Okay, so what you have to do, right? Then you have to check, you have to catch up this 1 and 2 only, not 3. Okay, and then check which gene is changing the position. For example, you can see capital C and capital C, right? And here you can see B and B. This is the gene changing the position, right? B is changing the position. Okay, so A is also not changing the position. You can compare, and you can compare with the parental also. Basically you have to compare with the parental also. So A is fixed, but B is changing. Capital C is fixed. So what you can observe, B by B is changing position. Okay, so changing position. So B should be not in the middle. B should be located. What you can conclude from here, this is the formula you have to remember. B should be located outside. Where? It should be located outside. So suppose B is outside, then B should be in middle. Okay, if they are changing the position, B should be in the middle. So always B will be in the middle. Either it may be AC or CBA. There is no difference between the CBA and ABC. Got the idea? This is the formula. Always you have to apply this trick. Just compare with the parental and check which gene is changing the position. And here we can easily see that B is changing the position. Right? B is changing the position. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt. So what if more than 3 or 4 sets of genes are given, and what if the position
in the
is
same,
about to become
same. In tetra crosses there is a formula, separate formula, right? In tetracross, if given 4 gene, you are asking, na? You are asking, suppose 4 gene. So tetra gene के case में suppose this is A, B, C, D. So there is a Neurospora crassa. Neurospora. In the case of Neurospora fungi, you can see the gene are linearly arranged. And out of this, 50% is parental, right? This is called the P, and 50% is non-parental. So this is called as the non-parental, right? So what is the formula? Half multiplied by non-parental upon total number, total number. Non-parental, how much number? Suppose this is 50 and this is 100. So what will be the recombination frequency? 50, 100, 100, 50%, and not 25, because half of 50. So they are not going to give you the determine order of gene, rather they can give you the determine the recombination frequency. But in the 3 cross mapping, right, always you will be given to determine the order between A, B and C, right? So always you have to see which gene is changing position. So if B gene is changing position, it means it will be in the middle. If A gene is changing the position, it means A will be in the middle, right? And if C gene is changing the position, it will be in the middle. Okay. Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think without much making difficult, I have explained everything. So let us see the next slide. So now if we are talking about bacterial genetics, if you'll see the conjugation, there are 3 processes in the bacterial genetics. What is that? Conjugation, and then the
non-conjugation,
transformation,
and transduction.
Transformation and transduction. Okay, so conjugation means one bacteria is F plus and other bacteria is F minus. Okay, so what the bacteria is doing, they are transferring the portion of plasmid, right? This is the plasmid. Now they will loop out some portion of the plasmid, and via conjugation tube they can share this plasmid to other F minus bacteria. And then what you can see, suppose this is the A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, now this bacteria is, what you can write, A plus, B plus, C plus, D plus, E plus, F plus. And this is all minus, right? All minus. Suppose after 5 minutes, what happens after 5 minutes? I'm just making the diagram of only F minus situation, right? So suppose 2 genes are coming inside. Which gene? A, make the arrow. Arrow means this will be the promoter, A and B. Now this bacteria will be what? How you can write this bacteria? As A plus, B plus, but C minus, D minus, E minus, F minus. Correct? Right?
Sir, I have a doubt. mostly the conjugation occurs by transfer of the fertility plasmid, no, sir, specifically.
F
So is
plus
there any
plasmid.
possibility of the transfer of other plasmids as well along with the fertility plasmid?
No. What I'm saying, there are various plasmid, R plasmid, right? F plasmid.
Yes, sir.
So if F plasmid is transferred, this F minus bacteria will be F plus. Correct?
F plus.
Okay. And if R plus is transferring, this become HFR, high frequency recombination. Right. So sometimes R transfer of both.
It is not specified. Okay.
So if
no, sir, what
suppose, please.
No, sir. Continue, sir.
What you are saying? Tell me.
No, sir. In conjugation, any type of plasmid can be transferred. No, sir. It is not specified for fertility plasmid. No, sir. That is what I want to clear.
No. This is fixed.
Okay.
Right. Okay. This is the fixed in the nature. Only R plus and F plus will be most common. We are talking about the most common transfer on the gene.
Okay. Sir.
So if you'll see the time is very crucial in this case of transfer. So if you calculate the percent, this is called as the percent recombination, percent transfer, you can say, and between the time 5, 10, 15, 20. Right. So what kind of graph you can see? So with the time, suppose this is 0.
Linear graph, sir?
No, like this. Not linear, right?
Okay.
0, 0, 5. This is for the gene A plus. Sorry, gene A. This is gene B after 5 minutes. Both. If A has been transferred, then A plus B plus both. This is not for any gene. 0 minute, no transfer. After 5 minutes, A plus B. And then after 10 minutes, then you can C. After 15 minutes, then you can see DE. After 20 minutes, F. So now the CSR is going to give you the graph, and they can ask you a very simple question. What will be the order of gene from the graph? So 0 time, no gene was there. This will be the first. So this will be the promoter, means they have just started. So you have to start from this 5 minutes. So you have not to start from the 20 minutes, right? Okay. So this is the promoter. So you start marking with the promoter, and behind the promoter. So sometimes you have to be given, make a circular graph. So you can mark a promoter like this or this. So your gene will start behind the promoter or after the promoter? Tell me. Behind the promoter, like A, B. So this A is 5 minutes. B is 10 minutes. Then C, 15 minutes. Then D, 20 minutes. F. Suppose F. 20 minutes. Okay, D, E, F. Okay, D, E, F. D, E, F, right? You got the idea? Sometimes you have to make the circular map, or linearly what you can make. A will be first, then behind will be B, if this is the promoter. A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F. It's a depends on how you are presenting the things, or you can.
और एक बार प्लीज फिर से बता दीजिए, मेरा छूट गया थोड़ा सा.
तुम तो आधे सिनेमा के बाद आई हो. मूवी हॉल में थोड़ी ना दोबारा पिक्चर चलती है. I am discussing about the bacterial genetics today. Okay, bacterial genetics. So just to start this case, these are of 3 types: conjugation, transformation transaction. So what I'm saying, earlier we have studied about the parental sorry, and recombinant. But here in the case, there are two type of bacteria, F plus and F minus. So here CSIR can give you the percent recombination, percent gene transfer, frequency, whatever you can say, and with the time mapping. Okay. So in the 0 time, there will be no transfer, 0 minute. This is 5 minutes. This is 10 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can be given to determine the order of the gene. So a very for the demonstration purpose, just I have written A, B, C, D, E, F in the sequential order so that you should not forget the concept. Whenever you can be asked, you can apply this concept. So the gene A is transferred first. After 5 minutes, only 2 genes you can see they have been transferred. Right. So what I represented in the graph, in the 5 minutes, there is A plus B plus. And after 10 minutes, what you can see, there is a C, D, E also transferred. Only C transferred. So I'm representing C. After the 15 minutes, I have represented D, E, F. D, E only. And then after the 20 minutes, F only. So now I can write like this. This will be the promoter. Arrow means promoter. And then behind that promoter A, and then B, then C, then D, and E, then F. And in the circular map, how I will represent it? Like this. 0 will be this promoter, and then 5, A, AB, AB, and 10 minutes, this was the C, 15 minutes, this was the D and E, and the 20 minutes was the F. Right. In the circular way, also I can represent this graph based on this problem. The problem can be given in this way, what I'm suggesting. So in the case of conjugation, in the case of transformation, in the transaction, very similar concept applies. And there should not be any confusion. If you know this concept, please.
सर जैसे फर्स्ट 5 मिनट में A प्लस और B प्लस साथ में ट्रांसफर हुआ, एंड देन फिर सर मतलब 10 मिनट पे सिर्फ C क्यों हुआ, मतलब C और D भी तो हो सकते थे.
ये assumption हमने माना.
Okay.
This is an assumption. I am citing an example so that you can get the idea कि कैसे हमें ऑर्डर बतानी है या मैप बनानी है. ठीक है. ये अक्सर क्या करते हैं, कुछ भी दे देते हैं XYZ, PQRST, है ना. So they can create a lot of confusion in the naming only, है ना. And they can give you the number of like this 2 gene transfer, 1 gene transfer, 3 gene transfer. You're not to get confused. What I'm suggesting, just you have to draw, take your paper and pen, and then start drawing, and be confident that you are not going to be wrong. ठीक है. आपका क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल गलत नहीं होगा. आप करो, टेंशन ना लो. ठीक है. इतना क्लियर हुआ तो ये मिटा दें. So now what is the co-transaction? Co-transaction, if 2 genes are very close together, it's very similar to the earlier recombination what I have explained. So 2 genes are close together along the chromosome. A bacteriophage may package a single piece of the chromosome that carry both the gene and transfer that piece to one another bacteria. That is the concept. Co-transaction means 2 genes are moving together. जैसे कि मैंने what I have cited in the graphical form, there were A, B were moving together. So in the graphical form, I demonstrated that in the 5 minutes, A, B were moving together. So what you can say, this is a co-transduction. What term you can give?
Co-transduction.
If they are moving alone, there is no co-transduction. Right? If 2 genes are moving together, then what does it mean? They are linked. They are linked together. That's why, because the distance between two is very, very less, so they are moving together. And in the bacterial term, we can use the term co-transaction. In the eukaryotic term, we can use the term they are linked. But we have to understand that this is the similar term. Means both the genes are transferring from one bacteria to another bacteria together. Right? So if you are doing a conjugation, then you can also have an idea of mapping the bacterial gene. How? Right? So in the conjugation experiment, you have to start with the HFR strain selected from the progeny F minus F plus. This is a similar graphical form. Right? Now they have mentioned the AGR, ton, lag plus gal. What I was suggesting in the example, earlier example, this was only for the demonstration purpose. But now you can see the difficulty level. Right? So what you have to look for? Now you can, as a conceptual purpose, you can see here, what is it written, beta? Minute after start. Minute after start. Minute after start. So keep in mind. It's written. Then this is 8, 9, 10, 16, 25. Right? And every time they are disturbing the gene transfer. So what I was suggesting, this was the one strain F plus or HFR, because this is the better. You are getting the better results with the HFR and F minus, because what is the meaning of HFR? High frequency recombination. High frequency recombination means always there will be conjugation tube formation, and also conjugation tube formation start with the HFR to F minus, not F minus to HFR. Right? Conjugation tube will start from the HFR to F minus. And now you can see the gene is arranged. Which gene has been transferred first in the 0 minute, 8 minute? This is threonine leucine. Threonine leucine. Can you see this picture? Hello?
Yes.
Can you see this? Threonine leucine.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Threonine leucine. So what is written? Frequency, percent frequency of HFR genetic marker among recombinations, right? So this is mentioned 10, there was no gene transfer, and after just before 10, no transfer, 10 minutes almost, AGs and ton was transferred. After 20 to 30 minutes, before the 20 minutes, lag plus and then gal plus. Here you can see threonine leucine, 8 minutes, this was the same from 8 to 10, right? Only AGR plus was the new. Okay, AGR plus, that was mentioned here. AGR, right? So it is started with the 10, AGR, new gene, and then behind this is the ton R. Behind this is the AGR and then ton R. And then behind ton R is the lag plus. Okay, lag plus. And then after that gal plus. So you can see the complete gene order. Complete gene order. We started from the, how you can represent it? Very easily you can represent it as, this is the, starting from here, AGI, ton R, lag plus, then gal plus. Now easily you can make the genetic map. This is called as the genetic map. Right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So this will be what? This position is what? Tell me. At a 0 time or 0 to 10 minutes. This will be promoter, which has been transferred. Right? Promoter region. So that has been common. Right? And behind the promoter, everything was there. Right? Now see, order of the gene transfer. In HFR strain, you can see this is the CSIR actual problem. Okay, beta? So see it seriously. Order of the gene in the HFR strain, there were 4 plasmid. How many plasmid? 4 plasmid. H strain was having origin, threonine, proline, AC, pure, and gull. 1 origin, threonine, TH, glycine, histidine. Second origin, histidine, glycine, histidine, threonine, proline, lactose. And origin, glycine, histidine, gal, pure, lac, or suppose after the genetic transfer you obtain the 4 kind of plasmids in this arrangement, right? So now 4 plasmids were there, right? Obviously, and 4 strain were there. Now how you will align the gene? This is the question. Now this is the answer. All right? Give a thought. Now you have to develop a circular map. Okay? Origin is, now you can see origin is there, but origin, so start reading, just reading, histidine, glycine, and see the common thing. We have in the smaller section we have studied the common thing. Suppose A small b and A C small c. So what is the common? A and A is cancelled. So overall it will be B by C. Right? This is a very simple mathematical formula. We are applying the same here. Now you can read this is a threonine, then write down the paper. T, write the first word only. T P P G, right? T P A P G. This was the H. And in 1, then you can see the T T G H. Now you can got the, after the G, you can guess there is a H. Got the idea? Now in second combination, what you can see? H G T T P L. Now match the G H again. After the H, there is a G, right? And then this is the TT, which is matching TT, and this P, and then P, L, P, right? I think this is L written. This is not A. So you can guess somewhat, you can arrange like this. His from 1 glythiothreonine. His glythiothreonine, and then start with the threonine, pick up the last one, and then start with the pro, lag, pure, gull. This pro, lag. So this is matching. This is matching. Okay, and this 3 is matching. So now another gene form is pro, lag, pure, gull, his, gly. Now you got the circular map. Getting the point? It's a very simple mathematical arrangement, not even mathematical, common sense. So you can see. Now see, give a thought and then tell me if there is any problem. Rajlakshmi and Akshika. Afrin is there? Afrin. So got the point? It's easy. So depend on where you are starting. So histidine, because the origin is there, so after the origin there is a histidine. So look, make a origin. This is the origin of transfer. Alright. So arrow is here. And behind this, histidine. Right? Histidine. And then glycine. This is glycine. Then THI, THR. THI, THR. This is the termination of one gene. This is one strain. This is terminated here, starting with this place. Got the idea? This is the termination. This is the start. Right? This is second HFR2. As strain, start with the THR. Now we have ended the THR here. THR and then pro, then lag, then pure, then GAL. This is terminated here. Okay? Got the point? Now see the third point. Now it's clear. This is the glycine, then pro lag. Histidine, glycine, starting with the glycine. Starting with the glycine. No? So this will be the start. Then glycine, histidine. No, not like that. Histidine and glycine. So this is going to be in this direction. Already I think we have made this. Third we are talking. Now we start with the pro. So starting with the pro. So arrow will be like this. So pro, lag, pure, GAL, and then histidine, and then glycine. So now you can exactly, you are in the situation to find out the gene order. So starting point is this. The first gene is hist, second gene is glycine, third gene is thi, fourth gene is threo, fifth gene is pro, sixth gene lag, seventh gene is pure, eighth gene is GAL. Okay, and there are how many origin? 4 origin. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Any doubt? It's a matter of arranging things. Okay. See the common thing, and already you can see pro lag and lag pro. You have to use your common sense. Glycine, histidine, and then you can see glycine, histidine, common. So glycine, histidine. So you have to use your common sense and you can arrange this. Clear, Afrin? Akshika? Afrin clear है? अक्षिका बेटा, अक्षिका सो गई.
यस सर. नहीं सर. यस सर. समझ रहा हूँ.
ठीक है ना, ये क्लियर है ना, बहुत इजी मैं बता रहा हूँ, बहुत इजी.
यस सर.
है ना. तो दिस इज अगेन द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ओनली द थ्योरेटिकल एस्पेक्ट कि हाउ द रेसिपिएंट एंड हाउ द डोनर you can mention, right? So recipient double stranded donor DNA A+A+, right? One standard donor DNA enters cell as the other get degraded. Formation of triple strand sometime, and then you can see the two type of replication: transformants half and non-transformants half. Any doubt? I think this is clear now. Okay, so transformation, what is the transformation? You can also determine the order of the gene. You can draw the map distance based on the recombination frequency, right? Now you can see the donor bacteria, right? Already I have explained you. Now it will be very easy to explain donor DNA, and this is the donor bacteria, right? And now if you are with the time, this is the time limit. You are breaking, then you can see P plus, and then these two genes together, P plus Q, and then Q plus, O plus, and then O plus with the time. Time is not mentioned here, but this is the time. Okay. With the time, you can see different segment of the gene have been transferred. DNA fragments used to transform PQO recipient bacteria, right? So जिसमें absent होगा minus, and if any gene is present, P plus means gene is present. P minus means gene absent. Gene is absent, right? Okay. So transformation genotype, you can obtain the different segments. Already you know, P plus QO, P plus Q plus O, PQ plus O plus, PQO plus, right? So these are the only the demonstration how the gene is going to be transferred. So what is the HFR? Means bacteria exhibiting a very high frequency of recombination due to a portion of the plasmid F plus in the bacteria. So F factor is going to be integrated into the main chromosome. That's why its nature is changing. This bacteria is now able to transfer the gene segment, plasmid segment, with very high frequency. That's why this is called as the high frequency recombination. So what you can see in the current picture, HFR chromosome replicate itself as the transfer proceeds. The donor DNA is replicated in the host cell. Now replication is complete, and I can say there is some portion, because there is a recombination. Because the recombination is there, some portion may remain in the recipient main DNA, not plasmid. Donor DNA, main DNA, this is the recombination, and after the recombination you can get the integrated DNA. What you are getting? Ultimately some piece remains there, some portion of the donor DNA remains with the recipient DNA, and that's why this is called as the integrated DNA. Okay, beta, this is clear. So interrupted mating is only way to find out the bacterial mapping on the gene. Alright, so these are again the technical terminology you will find in the examination, and you have to understand yourself. What is the meaning of S? S means sensitive. S means
sensitive.
Sensitive means if you are adding certain antibiotics, they will
die.
And then plus means they can synthesize amino acid. R means resistant. Especially to if azide is written, sodium azide. Ton is written resistant to bacteriophage T1. Lac plus is written, means able to synthesize lactose, grow with the lactose. Gal, able to grow with galactose. Alright. F minus STRR means resistant to streptomycin. THR means threonine auxotroph. Auxotroph means can't form amino acid. That's why you have to supply threonine from outside source. Right, then only then grow. Then only they will. So if this is THR plus, means what? Synthesize amino acid threonine. So this will be prototroph. THR minus will be auxotroph. Note करते रहना. And then you can turn out the pages and you can easily locate out what is the meaning. Gal minus, unable to grow on lactose, lac minus, unable to grow on lactose. Turn S means sensitive fast T1. Audio is clear?
Yes, sir.
So already I have explained. So how you are selecting the strain? Selection is based on the killing, based on the streptomycin. Streptomycin sensitive strain will be killed, while streptomycin resistant cell will survive. Okay. So streptomycin kills the HFRS cell in the mating mix. No threonine kills the F minus cell in mating mix. Now after 9 minutes only azide resistant will grow. Azide and bacteriophage resistant will grow. Azide and bacteriophage resistant cell and lactose utilizing cell. Means the gene is what we are trying to demonstrate. Gene has been transferred. Now see from the beginning. We have made a 2 strain. Right? HFRH, F minus. So these were the property HFRH we are having, and this was the property F minus strain we are having. Right? And suppose in the short form we are taking 2 genes. Right? That is in F minus resistant to streptomycin, in the HFR sensitive to streptomycin. Right? So sensitive to streptomycin means they will be killed. Okay. So streptomycin kills the HFR cell in the mating because they are sensitive to streptomycin, but they are able to synthesize the amino acid threonine. And if this gene is transferred to F minus, then what characteristic F minus will achieve? Tell me.
They synthesize threonine, sir, because they get the threonine in this plasmid. They synthesize threonine.
Yes.
And HFR
so it means no threonine kills the F minus cell in the mating mix. It means the gene has been transferred. So what we are taking now, this is strain I'm taking. I'm mixing HFRH and F minus. So what you can see, this is resistant to sodium azide. Now HFRH will not die because of sodium azide, and then resistant to bacteriophage T1, and then also able to grow on the lactose and also able to grow on the galactose. All positive features are there in the HFRH. And also you can see all the negative properties are there in the F minus. Can you see these features in the F minus? See the carefully, see the data. Just a minute. Oh, I forgot. Two-way model. Sure. So I think this is clear to you now.
Yes, sir.
So now splitting on selective media, and then what you can see, azide. Azide gene have been transferred, and bacteriophage gene have been transferred. Then F minus. This is the resultant of F minus. So these F minus are getting these genes. That's why they are able to grow. but there cannot grow on the lactose and galactose if the gene has not been transferred, right? So after some time, if all the gene have been transferred in F minus, you can see all the recombinants can grow well. Now this is the called as the interruption mating. What you can call them as a interruption mating. And this is the percent cell with the marker. So now these genes are acting as a marker. Okay, these genes are acting as a marker. AGR plus how much? Complete transfer 90% done, 85% lag plus 40%, gal plus 20%. So what we can we prepare the map now? We are now in the position of making the gene map. Which one is the first, which one is the second, which one is the third, which one is the last. So according to timeline, we can arrange and we can prepare a map. Is this graph is correct? 0 timers there. First gene is easy, second gene done, third gene lag. मेरे साथ बोलते रहो. Fourth gene is gal. Is it clear? अपना वीडियो भी ऑन रखो ना, अगर ऑन कर सकते हो तो you can, है ना? You can switch on your video. No problem. Because we are not much more people. We are just 3 people. So when the examination is closed, so how people are responsible for their career. Teacher is constantly taking the classes day and night, posting the lectures, making the videos, taking the classes, reading a lot, and the students are sleeping a lot. So this is the actual student behavior. I was also a student in my time. And now I am feeling that there must be a guide that can activate you. Otherwise, you are going to be in the sleeping mode. Now this is clear, I think? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the bacterial map in it. So what we can conclude here, one very unique thing, we can give a unique term, minute equivalent to units. Minute equivalent to units. Minute equivalent to units, right? So based on the minutes, this was asked in the CSIR examination. And it was the easiest one. Just you have to see the what? What you have to see? Minutes. And start from the, from where? Start from the 5th minute. Okay? Now suppose there is a 3 gene A, B and C. Okay, and this is the F factor. What is this? This is a F factor. And some portion of this is going to be inserted between A and C. So this now becomes, here maybe between A and B, between B and C, this becomes, 3 becomes, which is 10, HFR and 10. Clear? They can be inserted into different orders. So HFR is 10, you can got such kind of arrangement, and then you have to arrange. This is the order of transfer exactly. For the H1, this is for the, so strand 2, strand 3, and then H. This may be order. Now you have to see the common thing. It is written in the bold, lag, turn, easy. Then you can see, lag ton AZ, AZ ton, है ना? Then lag ton AZ. Now I think you are able to arrange करो तो इसको फटाफट कर सकते हो कि मैं ही करूं? What do you say? हाँ, बना रहे हो? बनाएं फिर, चलो दिखा देते हैं। कुछ बनाया? ऐसे ड्रा करोगे बच्चों? से यस, देन आई कैन कंटिन्यू।
यस सर।
है ना? आप पहले सीख लो हाउ टू मेक क्विकली विदाउट एनी मिस्टेक। नाउ दिस इज द HFR, राइट? दिस इज F minus. Okay, then this is the point of a start. Then the gene started transferred from this HFR to F minus. Okay, and then there is a recombination. They indicate the direction of transfer. Then there will be recombination, and then you can see the integration. So this is the kind of HFR DNA, if not integrated, or maybe integrated after the GRAS. So what is the leading gene that you have to determine the first? All right, what is the leading gene? Okay, after the GRAS. A transfer last or A transfer first. This is you have to determine. All right. And now similarly, you have to make write all the strain. H strain is starting from the origin O. This is the origin O, and then THR, AZ, ton, lag, pure. Write just it's written. And for this strain 1, but writing very similar to starting with the origin, because if you're not writing the origin, then you will be confused. Then it's a THR, thigh, GLY, his, gal, pure, lag, ton, AZ. I'm writing like this. And then for strain 2, I'm representing here what? Origin. This is origin, and direction is very important, because behind the direction there will be all the gene. Okay, so O I'm writing here, and then behind O will be gal. So in the third strain there will be gal. Gal. Right? And in the second there will be lag. So lag, pure, gal, strain. Right? And then try to maintain this order. If gal is here, then try to put this position everywhere. Okay? Then it will make your task easier. Right? So in all this chain, sometimes you can see this is the reverse direction, this is this direction, this is again the reverse direction, and this is again the this direction. Okay, so direction of transfer and F factor, right? So both we are taking together, and then now you can make the common map. Now what is the task remaining? Making the common map. ठीक है ना? अब कॉमन मैप कैसे बनाएंगे? कहाँ चला गया मेरा कॉमन मैप? Order of transfer, and then you can arrange the gene. I think almost this is clear to you. So they can give you now the tough problem like this. Here I am going to explain. Then again, this is example. This is the problem. Okay. Unmute yourself. F is chain. And then cross between, this is very, very important question. Okay. Unmute yourself. Anyone at least? Raj Lakshmi or Archika?
Yes, sir.
So yes, now this is very important. What I am saying, because I am getting 4 strain, 4 combination, 4, right? And after the cross between this, I can show the bigger cross, and this is the gene. There is a lot of confusion. Please see it very carefully. This is what? Time. Okay, time equivalent to unit. I have already discussed. So what you can see in the first cross, you are observing only 3 gene. Right? In the second cross, this is the time. 14.5, 20.5, and at 26 unit, you are getting the third gene. This is absent in cross B. C. Now this is a very tough problem. Third, all the gene are absent. Now you are getting the gene after 22 minutes, 35 minutes, here is the absent, 40.5 minutes. And then here, you can see 14 minutes and 9 minutes. The gene absent, 29. Then again you are watching this gene, right? And his. So 0.5 difference, that is no meaning, right? This is only for the confusion. Okay, so that you may get confused, because the gene is the same, right? So you have to make your common sense, and now draw the where is the origin. Suppose you are crossing, and then what will be the final map? How will you arrange the gene? Now origin, it will be 0 unit or 0 minute. Then it will be increasing minutes. What is the highest minute? This is 40.5. Can you write this?
40.5.
So arrange just time. Just arrange the time. So after 0 minute there will be 9 minutes, which is the least. More than 9 is 14 or 14.5. You can put it same.
14.5.
And then higher than the 14.5 is 20, 20.5. Then 22.
22,
26,
26,
29,
29.5,
45, and then 40.
35, 40.
Right? Now directly you can write, for example, at 9 you can see which gene is there. MTL at the 2 location. MTL is the 2 location, 20.5 and 9. What you will say about this? So this is means reverse order. They are mentioning reverse order. Now see how we can arrange on the paper and how can represent it. So this is your actual problem, right? Second problem, I think, no, same problem. Now draw the first one. This is between 312 and 132. 132?
312.
312. This is first one, correct? So only 3 genes are there. 14, 20, 22. I have mentioned 14, 20, 22. Correct? Second one is?
Yes, sir.
356, 312.
356, 312. 14.5, 20.5 and 26.
3 genes are there. Again 14.5, Malay common. MTL again common.
20.5.
And then different gene are there. MET-B 26. Now again, just I am drawing the same thing what they had given in the problem. I am not doing anything new. Right? So again we are taking this one. Now 9313 and starting with the share 22 minutes. So between 22 and 26 there will be 22 minutes which I can represent as a share A, and then there is a 35 and 40. 35 and 40 as a pure C and S. Is that correct? And one remaining is the last. Now as soon as I am drawing the final picture, I can have a very clear picture of all the genes, how they should be arranged. Okay, origin, and this one was, this one, 9 first, so 9 MTL, and then 14 was Malay. So again you can see I am not giving wrong direction or wrong minutes. I am matching the correct minutes. So what I can observe that except MTL, everything is in the order, because you can see the MTL here, you can see the MTL here, right? So at a 9, obviously this will be the first gene. Okay, Malay, there is common in Malay, means if I am starting with the Malay, then what I can see, the next gene will be MTL, then SERE, then MTE, then MET-B, then phenylalanine A, then pure C, then
pure C and his.
Only confusion is between where is the position of MTL. Then now make it common map. Now combining all this, I am getting MET at 22. Right? So out of 4, I have combined 1 and 2, and I am combined 3 and 4. Right? Then it will be easier for me to analyze. So I have combined 1, 2 and combined 1, 3. Now again I am combining 1, 2 with 3, 4. Right? So what I can see after combining, I can get the gene arranged like this. What about the MET-L? So MET-L was common in here, MET-E was here, and then MET-B, so MET-E, then MET-B, and MTL and MET-A. This is the now most common. Now I have dropped out that was confusion, 9. But now what I am doing, I am taking this one also. पहले हमने ये combine किया, then I am getting the Malay, MTL, MTE, MET-B. right? So I am getting, this is combining 1 and 2. Then I am getting the final of 1 and 2. I can mention it, and now I am combining 3 with 4. Now I am getting final 3, 4. This is 3, this is 4. Okay. Now 9 I am getting 9, 14, then share, then phenylene, then pure C, then histidine, right? No one was left. So what I will do? F34 and F12. This is F12, this is F34, correct? Now I am combining both. What will be the final result? Now this is MTL, MAD, right? I have deleted MAD-L from here. Because this was creating confusion. Then Sere, everything was correct order. Everything was in correct order. So the MTL position shown there at 20.5, this may be the start of another gene. That's why they were showing at that time. But actually the gene is the first. Okay, gene is at the first place. This will be the final. Now you agree with this?
Sir, how will we find that it is the first thing, sir? Because the first two transfers show the same time. That may be correct, no, sir. This only has shown a different time.
Only the difference time is there. In the 9th place at 20.5 place, right? So starting from the 0. So I can consider this as a first gene because this was the earliest time given. And later it's showing, it means somehow they reached in the different transfer way. For example, the first one this and this, and then that was a kind of transfer way of transferring and representing them. Not actually they transferred. What I'm saying. Okay. So now you can see why this was at 20.5 place and why this was at 9 place. So this we are getting when we are arranging the gene in linear way. But if I am representing the same gene in circular way, then there will be no mistake. Because this is all the game of origin. Okay. Now I have represented one more thing. I have added one more thing. What I have added? Now I have reversed the orientation. Now suppose this is the origin. This is the origin, right? And this will be the Malay, right? Malay, okay. And then Malay, then this was a MTL 20, right? So this is the 0 now. This is like this. MAD-L, MAD-G, MAD-B. Okay. So suppose this has an origin like this and this has an origin like this. So this one is common. Okay. For this origin, this is correct order. For this origin, this is the correct order. Now I am making the circular map. Then what I can see? According to circular map, this seems to be the correct order. 9, 14, 22, 29.5, 35 and 40. So there is a 2 origin, not 1. Okay, that's why the gene MTL was located at 9 also and the 20.5 also, because the order was reverse. So sorry, this was this order and this was the second. Join the map. We are getting, for example, for this origin, this is the for this origin 1, marking origin 1. This is the ser A, this is the ser A, right? Then male A, then male A, then material. You can see here according to this origin 1. Now according to this origin 2. According to this origin 2, what we can say, met B, sorry, origin, according to this origin, you can see the met B, met E, met B, met E, met L, male A, and cell A. And then finally pure C is. So this is now a representation of circular graph. So in linear way, you are going to do a mistake. You cannot find the way how should I represent this NTL, but in the circular way, you can represent it very well. But here you can represent the two origin 2, origin 1, and then you can mix the gene, and then you can find the gene according to this way also, according to this way also. So now see the next. Right, refer to parcel map formattation, join map. This is 5 minutes, 26 minutes, and then you can draw also the circular map. Then you can get the correct way of representing. I think this is very clear. Now, as soon as you are changing the origin, everything is arranged correctly. Right? So I think we should stop here. Tomorrow we'll discuss some more thing, but you need to do some more practice. And then if you see the problem, then we can go through the solution also. So tomorrow what we are going to study, we are going to study about the lytic, lysogenic cycle, and then deletion mapping, TFR, co-transduction, T-second mapping. So temperate phase, I think directly we will go through yes. Directly we will go through the problem, lambda bio. If there is a some integration like this, then what you can see, the H portion is going to attach with the lambda DNA, right? And then if GAL is going to cross, then GAL is also the part of this lambda DNA. Bio remains there in the equal chromosome. So flanking DNA is removed, and then this problem is created by the CSIR. Okay, so this is for the demonstration purpose, how the selected marker is there and how they are transferring a percent transduction, right? Because this is very similar to parental and non-parental. Parental 50% and non-parental always will have the low percentage, 0% or 3%. So what we can see, this is a non-parental or parental, non-parental, non-parental, and non-parental, right? And this will be parental. So sometimes there may be, because according to the transfer percent transactions you can obtain, and you can generate a map also based on this excision. So that is the part of specialized transaction. Specialized transaction, right? There is a difference between the specialized transaction and common transaction. So some portion of gene is going to be integrated, right? So because of viruses. Earlier we have studied between the bacteria and bacteria. Now tomorrow we will study about the bacteria and virus. Okay, so means we are going to study tomorrow mapping gene of bacteriophage. So almost this was the very earlier experiment, in which experiment was done to find out the concept of gene. What is the gene? And they were trying to define the gene. So this was also called as the oldest experiment based on the complementation systems test. And that's why every year CSIR is going to ask this question, because this was the first time when scientists were able to define the concept of gene. So if you are not understanding this, it means you are not able to define the gene. So it was a very, very earlier concept and very easy concept, not very tough. So sometimes you can see the complementation, sometimes you cannot see the complementation. Complementation means what? Follow person, there is a two person, person A and B. Person A has a shirt, person B has a pajama. Do you know pajama, Raj Lakshmi? And then
yeah, sir.
Person C borrowing the shirt from this person and pajama from this person. Now this person is smiling. Why this person is smiling? Tell me. Because this is a complementation test. Complementation. One from this A and one from pajama. Neither he can use, neither he can use. But he is smiling because finally they can use. So they are having the both A plus and B plus. That is the real concept of this complementation. If there is no complementation, means they are not going to form a block. Block means killing. Block means killing, lysing the cells. Block means blank area, lysed area. Okay, and if there is a complementation, plaques are formed. Means virus has transferred gene. Complementation means FOS that was not having the gene. Now FOS with mutation and having the genes. So in place of defective product, now another functional product replace the action of non-functional product. So you can see R second A, then R second A. R second A means defective. Black means defective. And here R second A means present. So both are complementary. This is missing. This is yes. This is plus, this is minus. This is minus, this is plus. Now what will you can see in the final gene? Plus, plus, or you are getting my concept. One gene was having minus and plus.
Yes, sir.
Second allele was having
minus, minus, and plus, plus.
Plus and minus. Now you are crossing both. Now finally you are getting plus, plus, because they are one allele at least complementing other defects. So this was a defective. So when defective gene were combined, so they are going to give you the functional gene. That's why there you can see the plaque formation. Now it's easy to map out the gene based on plaque formation. So what you can conclude? What you can conclude?
Complementation.
Plaque formation is there. P
Transfer
plus
of G.
means gene is yes. Gene has been transferred. P minus no plaque.
No complementation.
No complementation and no gene has been transferred. No gene transfer. Now this is a CSR question. So take a snapshot and tomorrow you will discuss with me. I will give you the answer tomorrow. You do a 3-factor cross using P1 transaction to determine the relative order. मैंने कल का भी लेक्चर देखो कितना शॉर्ट कर दिया, right? So I have explained easily how to determine the gene order. Now you can guess very easily. And now you can see the number is very high. It means parental, parental. You can write if the number is very high, this is parental, but this is non-parental. Non-parental recombinant. Easily you can observe without reading. Now they are asking calculate the post-transaction frequency. Now you have to calculate total. So you 46 plus 51 plus 2 plus 42. How much it becomes? 7.
11.
141?
Yes, sir, 141.
So this is 2 by 141 into 100. This will be the co-transaction frequency. Right? This is the same concept. No? Assuming the average length of one transect DNA is 1.5 minutes. Calculate the map distance between the loci. Alright, so they are asking about the average length of the time. 1.5 minutes. You have to, this is, I think data is insufficient because we need all the data of type or some type of graph. Construct a linkage maps with the order of gene and map distance. So not easy. So this is the basic concept already discussed. No need to discuss again. Already discussed. No, this was not discussed. So similar to the conjugation, you can see here when the time was 0 minute, only few portion were transferred from the bacteriophage. Because no gene was transferred because this is the time of attachment. And as after the 2 minutes, phage gene were transferred. This is the phage specific mRNA begins. Time 6, replication of phage DNA begins. Time 14, DNA filled head. Tails lacking. T17, head and tail both were intact. Time 25, there is a lysis, burst phase. So what you can conclude, this is the life cycle of exactly bacteriophage. So based on how we can now determine the gene. So we cannot determine the gene in the lytic mode. Rather than we have to go into the lysogenic mode. Right? Lysogenic mode where site-specific recombination will tell you what are the recombinants. Right? Then you can tell the gene order. So because integration is very important. So demonstrating the same, how the lytic cycle is not recommended. What cycle is recommended? Lysogenic. Lysogenic means the gene are making the recombination. For example, there are 3 genes, GAL, ATB and BIO. GAL, ATB and BIO. Getting my point? Now you are crossing with which? With the empty lambda chromosome that is not having any kind of this gene. So after the recombination, what you are expecting? Transfer of ATB. Okay, beta. And now you can see here in the integration phase, either ATB, between the ATB, this complete genome of bacteriophage was inserted. Getting, it's a very easy concept. देख रहे हो ना, ये पूरा जो रेड वाला पोर्शन था वो ATB के बीच में आ गया था. All the complete red portion was integrated with the circular E. coli chromosome, and red portion is showing the linear chromosome of lambda phage. So why they are recombining? Because both E. coli chromosome and lambda chromosome have a common site, that is at P. So at this location they can exchange the chromosome. Now they are exchanging the chromosome. Now you can see here at B from the E. coli chromosome and at B from the lambda. Now the common chromosome form after the integration will be called as prophage. So prophage will not be lytic, rather than this will be lysogenic. Clear? Is this clear, Akshita and Rajlakshmi?
Yes, sir.
So now you can see the next one. Sometime there may be 2 crossover products, sometime maybe 1 crossover product. So all that will be given. It depends on the recombination, and then you can calculate the recombination frequency. How you can calculate the recombination frequency, I will tell you. So this is the transfer, HFR, F minus. Already we have discussed how they are transferring, right? And then there will be excision of the F plus factor spontaneously at low frequency and making the HFR is tense. So this is the now actual transfer. I'm sorry. Transfer chromosome by HFR during conjugation, frequency interval 4 per each HFR cell. Now you can see this is the origin and this is the actual gene. Origin is at turn lag. Already we have discussed 10 minutes and then 20 minutes and 25 minutes. Okay. And now the F integration site determine the, yes, this is the point. F integration site means at B, right? At B was the F integration site. Okay, so remember this formula. If you are talking about the co-transduction or transduction between the bacteriophage and bacteria, right? What you will look for to determine the gene order? F integration site. F integration site. And this will tell you, this will give you the hint what will be the order of the gene transfer. Right? So for example, this is the arrow is like this. Then gene will be THR. You can see in the linear form THR, then pro, then lag, pure, girl, his, then in the last. So this is the start, this is the end. Okay. So who is telling you the order of the gene? F integration site. Here F integration site is here. So now the gene start with the pro. Here gene start with the THR. Here 3, 1, 2. In the 3, here the start, gene start with the pure. So now you are combining all 3 and then you are getting the common gene sequence. So if this is what is the order of the gene? This is the order of the gene 3, then gene 1, then gene 2. After combining all 3, we are not getting 1, 2, 3. What we are getting? 3, 1, 2. Okay. After matching all the gene orders. Getting my point. So according to this, THI will be the first, then threonine, then proline, then lag, pure, girl, his, lag. Okay. Here thigh was last. Here thigh was in the middle. Here thigh was in the middle. Here thigh was in the middle. Here thigh was in the start. How this is possible? So after combining all the gene, not thigh, all the gene you are combining, then you are finding exactly thigh was outside, not in between as it was shown, and it was near to the start site. Yani that is the F integration site, F site. So this is the clue. You have to look for the F site and then you can determine the order of the gene based on the transfer. Okay. Right, beta?
Okay, sir.
अब ये थाई पहले कैसे आया लास्ट में, हाउ दिस बिकम्स फर्स्ट, तो यू कैन गेट द हिंट फ्रॉम H, because this was in the last and as soon as this was the last, THR was started. Right? THR was started. Now see the location of THR. THR here is the start. THR here is the here. THR here is the, oh sorry, this is the final. We have not to consider this one. THR. Where is the THR? This is the THR. Alright. So means this is the great hint. Where the THR is ending and THI is the start. And then THI, then THR is there. And then after combining all, pro, and then lac, then pure, then gal, then is, and then GLY is the last exactly after combining all this. Now this is the problem given. 3 genes A, B, and because directly you are getting the problem, then you get frustrated. Na? How to solve? What to look? Then time is time constraint is there. You have no more time. So can we discuss tomorrow or Saturday?
Tomorrow, sir.
So because this is formula for remembering, study again and again. Okay, and many times you are studying the same things, means problem solving of the mapping, gene order in the bacteria, in the transformers, then you will give the correct, you will have a correct idea, right? That's why this is called the practice makes man's perfect. So here exactly they are determining what is the correct order of the gene. So this is ACB because C is changing the place. C plus, and then C minus. This is the recombinant and this is the parent. So comparing the parents with the recombinant. This is the simple formula I have started in the earlier. So you have not to read all this. Okay, directly you can go for the calculation. Who is changing the gene? A plus is there. B plus is there. C and then C plus. So C will be in the middle. That's it. A and B will be outside. Very simple. Quickly in 1 second you can solve this problem by comparing the parent with the recombinant. Right? So tomorrow we are going to study a lot of things. I think already we have discussed this. How to determine the order of the gene according to the timeline. So again we will see tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.